Okay, this is a reply about why this view is important. Okay, so in terms of this, the first thing at the moment, this view compared to the one that I gave you is incomplete, and I'll show you the quick pivoting that we can do this. So this, it solely looks at a single assessment. So there's a number of ways in which we get this table. The reason that this is important to me when I'm going through and having the conversation with learners, so the first thing, I might go to this learner here, and I can see that in terms of overall, but during the year it would have how that learner is tracking, that it's not happening. Yet construction has been knocked out the park. But in literacy-rich subjects, ultimately I'm the only one there, wasn't happening, and we had COVID. Then if we look here, it would enable me to have that look around this learner here. So this is based on a single assessment. At the end of every assessment, teachers have to analyse, and they have to identify what went right and what went wrong and how they improve things for those priority learners. So what we can see is an overall, as a literacy-rich subject, geography did a damn good job. Health, bio, whatever was going on there, didn't seem to work as geography. So what's different? So from my point of view, it gives me a good level of teacher efficacy about what I'm doing and the processes that I have, but also enables me to have a conversation with the learners. The other thing it enables me to do is when I go into the advanced section, I can put a split in, and then I can start doing some analysis around either ethnicity, or I can do the splits around gender. And then at the end of the year, it enables us to see us how we've done with our learners of different gender, different ethnicity. It's a high level of flexibility around talking about these learners and seeing how we compare to other subjects, and then asking the question. So at the end of the year, I might be going to someone in a different subject where one of the learners has done better, which could well be the that English literacy class. Art painting is a different thing, but I could be asking about that. So that's why we have this little section, and we like having these individual names and these pop-up tables, either like this or on the bigger picture, really crucial. Some of the stuff that you've chucked up on that call, Jason, to quote the Killjoys, it's too numbery. It's just, this is nice, quick, simple, visual. So that's where a lot of that comes out. Hopefully that's clear. I will preface it, this is Sunday night trying to do this, so I hope you can get this, and then we can go from there.